Marvcos.com is one of those rare online platforms that immediately leaves a lasting impression with its exceptional blend of quality, professionalism, and customer satisfaction. From the very first moment I visited their website, I could tell that Marvcos.com was built with a customer-first mindset. The interface is sleek, modern, and incredibly easy to navigate. Everything about the website feels thoughtfully designed, from the layout and product categories to the detailed descriptions and vibrant visuals that give customers a clear idea of what they're purchasing. Unlike many other online stores, Marvcos.com manages to create a shopping experience that feels both personal and premium, with every click leading you closer to products that combine elegance, functionality, and great value. What I truly love about Marvcos.com is the level of care and transparency they maintain throughout the entire process. Their product listings are accurate and honest, and it's clear they only offer items that meet their high standards of quality. The checkout process is smooth and secure, giving me complete confidence while placing my order. I was pleasantly surprised by how quickly my package arrived. It was delivered right on time, neatly packaged, and handled with care. When I opened it, I could instantly see the attention to detail that sets Marvcos.com apart. The product looked even better in real life than it did online, with impressive craftsmanship, premium materials, and a flawless finish that exceeded my expectations. Another thing worth mentioning is their excellent customer service. The team at Marvcos.com goes above and beyond to make sure every customer feels valued. They are prompt in responding to questions, incredibly polite, and genuinely eager to help. Whether it's tracking an order, clarifying a detail, or requesting assistance, their communication is always friendly and professional. It's clear that Marvcos.com isn't just about selling products. It's about building trust and long-term relationships with its customers. Their commitment to excellence shows in every interaction, making the entire experience smooth and satisfying from start to finish. I also appreciate how Marvcos.com maintains fair and transparent pricing, ensuring customers get real value for their money. The quality of their products easily justifies the cost, and their regular offers and discounts make it even more appealing. They also provide clear policies regarding returns and shipping, which adds another layer of reassurance. It's rare these days to find an online store that perfectly balances aesthetics, quality, and customer care, but Marvcos.com does it effortlessly. Overall, my experience with Marvcos.com has been nothing short of outstanding. It's a trustworthy, customer-oriented, and high-quality brand that I would gladly recommend to anyone looking for a reliable online shopping destination. Whether you're shopping for yourself or searching for the perfect gift, Marvcos.com delivers excellence in every sense, from the ease of browsing to the joy of unboxing. I can confidently say that Marvcos.com has set a new standard for online retail.